Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aminah Billah binti Abdul Qadir, matric number 118106. So, I will explain about CanSlim for Pegasus Hyde Berhad Company. Pegasus Hyde Berhad, an investment holding company engaged in the real estate business in Malaysia. The company is involved in the leasing of commercial properties, project management consultancy for property development and marketing events, and trading and property management activities. It also operates a shopping mall under the name of Centrepoint Seremban Mall. The company was formerly known as Naim Indah Corporation Berhad and changed its name to Pegasus Hyde Berhad in February 2018. Pegasus Hyde Berhad is based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So now we move to the first acronym of CanSlim, which is current quarterly earning. Pegasus Hyde Berhad show a trend of profit and revenue in quarterly. The revenue decreasing in quarter 3 2020 and then rose again in quarter 4 2020. However, Pegasus Hyde Berhad has experienced a significant decline in quarter 1 2021. The earning per share growth of Pegasus Hyde Berhad has exceeded the minimum limit of 25% during quarter 1 2020 until quarter 1 2021. In addition, Pegasus Hyde Berhad has shown an increase of 460% in EPS growth between quarter 1 2020 and quarter 1 2021, which is from 40% rose to 500%. So now we move to the second acronym, which is annual earning. Pegasus Hyde Berhad show a trend of profit and revenue in annually. The revenue decreasing in year 2018, but Pegasus Berhad rose sharply from 2018 until 2020. However, the profit has shown a steady decline from 2018 until 2020, possibly because of the COVID-19 outbreak that affected the world. The earning per share of Pegasus Hyde Berhad has exceeded the minimum limit of 25% from year 2017 until 2020. However, Pegasus Hyde Berhad has shown a significant decline of 231% from year 2018 until 2020, which is from 427% to 70%. So next, we move to the third acronym of CanSlim, which is news. Pegasus Hyde Berhad has released the news about the change in directors' interest on 6 January 2021, meaning that the company insiders buying or selling their own company stock. This news will make investors flutter on what is occurring within the confines of the company. At this stage, many investors will assume this news as an important signal to sell the stock. Because of that, the PHB stock price have been declining from 0.030 to 0.025. So now we move to the fourth acronym for CanSlim, which is supply and demand. PHB stock price indicating the volume of stock selling increases until the price of the stock is falling down from 0.030 to 0.020. Because the investors tend to supply more due to the news released by the PHB about the company increased the capital stock by 13,770,000 on 31st March 2021 compared to 6 million on 23rd March 2021. However, the stock price on 29 March 2021 increasing from 0.025 to 0.030 due to the 188.59 million volumes of stocks purchases, indicating the investors are demanding the stock. Next, we move to the fifth acronym of CanSlim, which is leader and laggard. Pegasus Hyde Berhad position in the stock market is at the top level compared to other correlated companies. This shows that PHB company is the leader in its group, and we found that MQTech company is the laggard of its group. Now, we move to the sixth acronym of CanSlim, which is institutional investors. Adjusted float above show that Pegasus HyperHeart consists 71.4% of retailer investors, while 28.6% are from institutional investors, meaning that 102.8 million of PHB stock held by institutional investors. So now we move to the last acronym for CanSlim, which is market direction. The market index of FBM, KLCI, and PHB stock indicates the trend of sideways, while the SPX index shows the uptrend chart. As for the Pegasus HyperHeart under Sector Property, the stock make up 39.22% of SPX, but 5.04% of the FBM KLCI made up by PHB stock. That's all from me. Thank you.